What's up, folks? Alright, I'm going to try to crank this video out. Basically what I've got here is a kind of a pocket little I don't know what this thing is called. I forget. I'll put it on the end of the video, obviously. Little chainsaw, but as you can see, you've got little 550 cord handles. I guess you could customize that if you wanted to. You can cut those off and put whatever you want on there. But so I just figured it's the first time I'm using it, so I'll just demonstrate it. Let's see how this thing works. I've got some WD-40 here that the cap just kind of came off. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna spray her down. Handles. Alright. I got some gloves just in case if this turns out to be harder than I expect. So, okay, here we go. Here, let's try to saw a piece off. Oh, and the 550 cord came off. Otherwise, it was going well. As you can see, it was carrying away with that branch there. Oh, I wanted this to be a real quick video. Here we go. Okay, let's try this again, or let's continue. There you go. Nice clean cut. Well, besides that little chip right there. That was pretty fast. Look, that's a pretty, I mean, what is that? That's maybe 2.5, maybe 3 inch, close to 3 inch diameter piece right there. I kind of want to try another one. Bigger piece. I think I do have a bigger piece around here. Yes, okay, we'll do one more, and then we gotta go. Okay, are we in the frame? Yeah, we're in the frame. And my battery's running out, so I'm gonna try to do this fast. If it cuts off, then it cuts off, and that's the video. Okay. So, we're gonna spray it down one more time. So, yeah, I guess we can use it. Okay. It's not too hard on the hands either. You know, it's a 550 cord. Here we go. I'm just going to cut a little piece off the end here. Okay, see how long this takes. We'll time it. Oh, okay. Kind of blow myself up. Okay. Oh, this one's a little tougher. Can't seem to keep it from wanting to roll. Okay, now honestly it's starting to hurt my hands a little, so... Okay, how much... Okay, just checking if the battery ran out on me. With some... Gee, there's some mechanic gloves. Cheap mechanic gloves. You know, one thing is probably why it's rolling a lot is because I'm putting it right on the end here. I don't know if that was a good idea, but... tiring, I'll be honest. Okay. And we're done. Okay, well, there you go. Pretty great tool, and it's starting to rain out here, so lucky my camera's waterproof. Okay, that's it, guys. As you can tell, I'm a little out of breath. This piece was a little bit bigger, as you can see there. There you go. That's more like a, I don't know, 5-inch diameter maybe. So, alright. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.